Background and history. 1. Valentina Tereshkova, b. 1937, a Soviet cosmonaut and former textile worker, Tereshkova was selected to become the first woman in space. 2. The Vostok 6 mission, launched on June 16, 1963, aimed to demonstrate the capability of women to withstand the rigors of space travel. 3. Tereshkova's background as an accomplished parachutist and her commitment to the Soviet space program made her an ideal candidate for the historic mission. 4. The mission was a significant milestone in the space race and the broader context of gender equality in space exploration. Historical impact. 1. Vostok 6 marked a historic moment on June 16, 1963, when Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to orbit the Earth. 2. Tereshkova's mission showcased Soviet space prowess and equality, countering criticisms of gender disparities in the space race. 3. The achievement inspired generations of women worldwide to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. 4. The global recognition of Tereshkova's feat highlighted the Soviet Union's commitment to inclusive space exploration. 5. Tereshkova's accomplishment set the stage for subsequent women astronauts and cosmonauts, contributing to the ongoing diversification of space missions. Historical milestones. 1. June 16 to 19, 1963, Valentina Tereshkova orbited the Earth 48 times during the Vostok 6 mission. 2. The mission coincided with the Vostok 5 mission, carrying cosmonaut Valery Bykovsky, marking the first time multiple spacecraft were in orbit simultaneously. 3. Tereshkova's mission lasted almost 3 days, providing valuable data on the effects of space travel on the female body. 4. The successful re-entry and landing of Vostok 6 solidified the achievement and Tereshkova's place in history. 5. The mission contributed to the ongoing exploration of human capabilities in space and laid the foundation for future research. Technological advancements. 1. The Vostok spacecraft, used for Tereshkova's mission, was a modified version of the earlier Vostok 5 spacecraft. 2. The spacecraft featured life support systems, communication equipment, and a secure re-entry design to ensure Tereshkova's safety. 3. Technological innovations in spacecraft design, navigation, and communication were crucial for the success of the mission. 4. Tereshkova actively participated in monitoring and reporting on her physiological conditions during the mission. 5. The advancements made during Vostok 6 contributed to the ongoing development of spacefaring technologies. Challenges and risks. 1. Tereshkova's mission faced challenges associated with the physiological effects of space travel on the female body, an area with limited prior research. 2. The risk of technical malfunctions or failures that could jeopardize the safety of the cosmonaut. 3. The psychological challenges of extended isolation and confinement in space, particularly for a pioneering woman in a male-dominated field. 4. The success of Vostok 6 helped dispel concerns about gender-related limitations in human space exploration. 5. Tereshkova's resilience and commitment to the mission demonstrated the capacity of women to excel in demanding space missions. Future prospects. 1. Tereshkova's mission paved the way for subsequent women astronauts and cosmonauts, breaking down gender barriers in space exploration. 2. The inclusion of women in space missions became a priority for space agencies worldwide, fostering diversity in astronaut corps. 3. The ongoing commitment to equality in space exploration is evident in the participation of women in various space programs, including spacewalks and long-duration missions. 4. Tereshkova's legacy is celebrated as a symbol of the limitless potential of women in STEM fields and space exploration. 5. The achievements of women like Tereshkova continue to inspire future generations of space pioneers. Controversies and debates. 1. Tereshkova's mission faced scrutiny, with some questioning the motivations behind sending a woman into space. 2. Debates arose about the role of women in space exploration and the potential impact on their health and performance. 3. Controversies surrounded the broader context of the Cold War space race and the ideological competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. 4. The mission prompted discussions about the ethical considerations of sending women into space and the potential societal implications. 5. The global attention on Tereshkova's mission sparked discussions about the role of women in scientific and technological fields. Additional information. 1. Tereshkova's call sign during the mission was Cheka, meaning seagull, in Russian. 2. Following her historic mission, Tereshkova became involved in political and public activities, serving as a prominent figure in Soviet and Russian society. 3. Tereshkova's contributions extended beyond space exploration to include political roles, philanthropy, and international engagement. 4. In 2013, on the 50th anniversary of her mission, Tereshkova was awarded the title of Hero of the Russian Federation. 5. The ongoing recognition of Tereshkova's legacy is evident in her continued involvement in space-related activities. Fun facts. 1. Tereshkova's mission generated international attention, and she received telegrams and messages from people around the world. 2. Her call sign, Cheka, became a symbol of inspiration and empowerment for women and girls. 3. Tereshkova remains the only woman to have been on a solo space mission, highlighting the unique nature of her accomplishment. 4. The space capsule carrying Tereshkova displayed the painted image of a seagull, symbolizing her call sign. 5. The success of Vostok 6 contributed to the Soviet Union's reputation as a leader in space exploration. Dark side. 1. The dark side reflects the challenges and controversies associated with early human spaceflight endeavors. 2. The potential exploitation of Tereshkova's mission for political purposes amid the Cold War competition. 3. The societal and cultural pressures on Tereshkova as a pioneering woman in a field dominated by men. 4. The limited representation of women in subsequent space missions, highlighting the persistent gender disparities in space exploration. 5. The broader ethical questions about the motivations behind sending women into space during the Cold War era.